How to open real account on MT4. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 4 app. And now you can see there is settings option at the bottom right corner of this section. So just tap on settings and you can see new account at very first. So you need to select the new account option. Now just select login to existing account, and once you tap on it, you simply need to search for your broker account first. So for example, let me search Xness in here, and you will be able to see lots of options of Xness in here, but you can choose any of them according to your reason. So for example, let me choose very first one, and you can see it is asking us for our login ID and password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on sign in, and yeah, you will be able to connect your real account in MT4 successfully. So if you encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.